In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly walkthrough for beginners. We're starting on the official Formly website, where you can immediately see that this platform is designed to help you build forms, surveys, quizzes, and lead generation experiences without needing advanced technical skills. In this walkthrough, I'll cover the main features, how easy it is to use, pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth trying. And if you want to test it for yourself while following along, you can use the affiliate link in the description. From the homepage, click the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. This is a good place to notice how simple onboarding feels. Formly currently promotes a free option with no credit card required, which is helpful if you just want to explore the platform before making any commitment. Once you're inside, take a quick look at the dashboard. This is where you can create new forms, open existing ones, review responses, and manage your settings. You don't need to spend too long on every menu here, because the main goal is just to understand where everything lives and how the workspace is organized. Next, create a simple sample form and test the builder. Add a few different question types so you can see the range of options available. Then explore the customization settings to adjust the design and make the form feel more on brand. Formly supports multiple layouts and a wide variety of question types, so it's useful for everything from simple contact forms to more polished client-facing forms. After that, open the AI-powered form creation feature, enter a short description of the form you want, then let Formly generate it for you. Review the suggested questions and overall structure, and compare that with what it would take to build the same thing manually. This is one of the areas where Formly can save time, especially for beginners. Now test logic and personalization by creating a basic conditional path where one answer changes the next question shown. If branching, variables, scoring, or calculations are available in your setup, show those too. These features are especially useful for lead qualification, surveys, quizzes, and customer intake forms. Then move into integrations and show connected apps such as Google Sheets and other automation options. This helps reduce manual data entry and can make your workflows much more efficient. If relevant, also review payment features and explain that Formly supports Stripe integration, with payment options that can change based on form responses. Just remind viewers to check current plan requirements before depending on a specific payment feature. From there, open the Analytics or Results area to show how responses are displayed, including charts and useful insights. Then check notification settings so viewers can see how submission alerts and response-related emails are handled. Next, open the pricing page and review the current plans. At the moment, Formly offers a free option, with paid plans including Silver at $19 per month and Gold at $29 per month, plus annual billing options. Since pricing can change, always rely on the current official page. Overall, the biggest pros are beginner-friendly form creation, AI assistance, professional-looking designs, logic and personalization, analytics, integrations, payment support through Stripe, and a free option to get started. On the downside, some advanced features may require a paid plan, customization may need testing for very specific design needs, integrations should be verified for complex workflows, and pricing should be compared carefully with alternatives. Compared with tools like Google Forms and Typeform, Formly appears especially strong for users who want a balance of ease of use, modern design, AI help, logic, integrations, analytics, and flexible pricing. But the best choice depends on your goals. My final verdict is that Formly is worth considering if you want professional forms, surveys, quizzes, lead generation tools, and automation without a steep learning curve. If you need highly specialized workflows, or want to compare cost and features more closely, it's smart to explore alternatives too. And if you'd like to try Formly yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description.